Hi there, food lovers. Chef Gustavo here. Today, we're bringing you some coastal flavors to your kitchen. Shrimp tacos, a perfect summer meal, light and refreshing. First, we're going to start with our shrimp. I'm using fresh deveined shrimp with a blend of spices. We'll be using garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, and a touch of olive oil. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a bit of olive oil. Once hot, add the shrimp. Warm your tortillas on a griddle for a few seconds on each side until they're heated through. Now let's assemble our tacos. We're going to start with a layer of shredded cabbage, add some shrimp, avocado, cilantro, orange bell pepper for color, and a squeeze of lime. And to kick it up a notch, just a touch of Sriracha Mayo. And there you have it, fresh shrimp tacos, perfect for a full-size meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.